Do you want to see 5 service payment proof and also know more about how you potentially can earn $1 per survey you complete on it? Then this video is for you. My name is Michael and I've tested hundreds of ways to make money online, and I've also talked about 5 surveys before, but many of you have asked if it still pays, so I decided to record a video where I'll show you exactly how to withdraw and also show you payment proof. And then I will share a few more details about the overall earning potential to help you find out if this is the right opportunity for you or not. So let me just start by going over a few basic things about 5 service. I also just want to make it clear that this is not a 5 service full review and tutorial, because I do have that somewhere else. I have one on my website, both written, and there you can also find a video where I give a full guided tour. I'll leave a link to that below if you want to see that. But here I just want to focus on the payment proof as an update to show that it still pays. But just in case you've not heard of it before, it is a survey website, an app that you can use that is quite unique. It is available in these countries, as you can see, not that many countries, but if you will live in one of these countries, it definitely can be worth it because of what I will show you in this video here. Because what it makes it very unique is that you do not as such get paid per survey. You complete 5 surveys and then you earn $5, as you can see here. But in some countries, you know, it will be, for example, in the UK, £5. But in a few European countries, it will be 5 surveys and then you will get €3. But in general, as you can see, it means that the average earnings you will get per survey is quite high. So you just complete 5 surveys, it doesn't matter how long they are, and then you will get $5, and then you can take out your earnings immediately there. So let me now log in and then I will show you how to withdraw and show you payment proof also. So I have now logged into 5 surveys, and again, I'm not going to give you a full guided tour and all that. You can find that through the link below. Here instead, I just want to show you that currently I have these $25 there. So then I would just need to click to claim the reward, and then you can see the exact payout options. And again, this will vary depending on the country you live in, but it offers very good options, quite big selections. You can see in some countries even bank transfer, PayPal, Revolut, Venmo. Then here 171 gift cards, so a lot of gift cards. Again, how many gift cards will depend on the country you live in, even prepaid Visa card or virtual Visa, and then also charity donations. Here you have more than 50 different options, and the gift cards, you can see there's a ton of different gift cards, and you would just need to choose your option. In this case, I will choose PayPal. And you can see the options that I have here. So 5, 10, 20, or I could wait to 50, but now I have 25. So I'll just choose the $20 there to get paid. And then I just need to select it. And then you just need to enter your PayPal email address. And of course I blurred that out for privacy reasons. And then you can see you will receive the reward within 30 minutes. And in my experience, it actually usually happens even faster. But even if it had to take 30 minutes, it's a very fast paying site. So basically instant payout. And I really do like that aspect of it. So then I just need to claim the reward. And you can see then it says your reward is on its way and it should arrive within 5 minutes. So that's really great. That's how easy it is, how fast it is. And I also leave a screenshot here on the screen of the email I get from PayPal, so you can see that the money did go into my account. I will there also write exactly how long it took. But let's now also talk a little bit about the overall earning potential. So how fast can you then earn, for example, $20 or $100 on 5 surveys? Well, it's hard to give an exact answer to, because it of course depends on the country you live in and how many surveys that are available, how high paying they are. That does vary from country to country. But I would say overall, 5 surveys is one of the best service sites, because I do like that on average there it pays like around $1 per survey depending on the country you live in. And some of the service, if you just choose wisely, you don't have to spend much time doing it. So as a service site, to just take service once in a while on your computer or your phone, it definitely is a great way to earn some extra money on the side. Of course, it's not a way to make a living, part-time income, or anything like that. No service site is, but it is definitely one of the great service sites, and I really do like how fast it pays out also, and the payout options. So if it is available in your country, this is definitely one of the service sites and apps that I do recommend. So I will also leave a link below to a joining page where you can find the exact link to get to the page to sign up in your country and choose your language also, because in some countries you can even choose different languages. So make sure to check that out below. And also, if you want to know more about it, see a full written tutorial or full video tutorial, I have that on my website. I'll leave a link to that below so you can go and check that out also. And if you have any experiences with Five Service yourself, I would also love to hear that in a comment below. And if the video helped you, please also make sure to hit the like button, and don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out next time I'll release a video with tips and tricks about different ways to make money online.